Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Upstart without a strong credit history in 2025. So Upstart is known for considering more than just credit scores, making it a very good option for those with limited credit history. So let's get into how you can use that. Now, the first step is to understand Upstart's AI-based approval process. So, unlike traditional lenders, Upstart evaluates education, employment history, and income along with credits. So, even if you have a thin credit file, a stable job or degree may help to improve approval chances. The second step is to check your pre-qualification first. So go to Upstart's website, that's www.upstart.com, and enter your details to see if you qualify without affecting your credit score. Step three is to strengthen your application. So you want to have consistent income or a steady job, and consider applying for a lower loan amount if your credit history is significantly weak. Fourth and final step is to avoid too many hard credit inquiries. So, if for whatever reason you are denied your request, make sure to avoid reapplying too soon, as multiple hard inquiries is gonna significantly lower your already low credit score. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.